Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. Today I am telling you about your grammar topic, that is question tags. What are question tags? Question tags are not a complete question in itself. Means don't, isn't. There are a form of questions attached with a statement. For example, we are reading. Then your question will remain with there, aren't we? Then this is question tags. We will make our question tag with the helping verb of the statement. Means if our statement is positive, then our question tag will remain negative. I am making you this concept clear by giving more examples. First, positive question tag. If the question tag is attached to a negative statement, it is said to be a positive question tag. Means if your statement is negative, he is not learning, then your question will remain, is he? This is positive question tag, and your structure will remain auxiliary plus subject plus question mark. Is auxiliary here, he is a subject here, and then question mark. Then negative question tag. Tags are said to be negative if it is attached to a positive statement. Means if your statement is positive, then question tag will remain negative. We are working, aren't we? Then your structure is auxiliary. Are is a auxiliary or a helping verb here. Then plus not, then subject, and then question mark. In this way you can make your negative question tag. And in question tags you will use your contraction form. Contraction form means we will not use do not, don't, doesn't, isn't, shouldn't, dare not. And if am is there in the statement, then am is not written as amn't. We will write it aren't I. A few things also you have to keep in your mind. Question tag never starts with a capital letter. Aren't, it will remain O A small. And subject of a tag can never be a noun. It's always a pronoun. Kavita has not eaten, but we will not write it has Kavita. No, has she. Then its structure will remain auxiliary plus subject and plus question mark. In case there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, means no helping verb, main verb is there, then do, does or did is used in the tag. For example, they went to temple, then went is the main verb, second form. Then we use did. Didn't they? Then structure will remain did plus not plus subject and plus question mark. Now one thing also you can keep your mind. If subject of the statement is this, then tag question subject will remain it. That also change into it. These, they, those, they. One will remain one and it will remain it. Dear students, watch this video carefully for making your concept clear. Thank you and have a nice day.